If you want to maintain your privacy while using Google Wallet, hiding your online status can be a useful feature. Follow these steps to adjust your settings. Step 1. Open Google Wallet. Launch the Google Wallet app on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu icon, usually located in the top corner of the app. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to enter the Settings menu. Step 3. Find Privacy Settings. Scroll through the settings options until you find Privacy or Privacy Settings. This section contains options related to your online visibility and status. Step 4. Adjust online status. Look for an option that mentions online status or show online status. Toggle this option off to hide your online presence for other users. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting your online status, make sure to save any changes if prompted. Exit the settings menu to return to the main interface of the app. By following these steps, you can successfully hide your online status on Google Wallet, enhancing your privacy while using the app.